everyone, what's up? Okay, first of all, are you guys watching my videos? Yes, then thank you so much. No, please go watch my tutorials, my dance videos, my creativity, and spread to your family and friends. Wanna learn more dance? I am going to upload more and more dance. Please hit the bell icon, subscribe my channel so you will continuously receive the notification. Today I am going to teach you the tutorial of Husn Hai Suhana song, which is from Coolie number 1. Let's learn it. Watch it from there, my original video, and learn it from here. Please comments, guys. Comments are important. So thank you so much for all the love, and let's go learn. Dance start with some music. Tak 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 tak. Tak 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 tak. So we'll give you the beats ka choreography. There are 4 times two. So I'm giving you the counts. First we need to walk like a Govinda. There are some song Govinda has particular movements in his songs. I picked one. So it's a walking 1 and 2. So you'll have to relax your shoulder, relax your hands and make movements as like Govinda do. We engage ourselves like a Govinda dance. कैसा करता है? So there are right hand 1 and 2 and inside the belly. Hit, hit and hit, hit. So you will have to do it 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Inside, inside. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the sound called girls. As like girls sound came in the music, you'll have to hit finger out, point it. So it's pointed, girls. Okay, right hand up. It's my right hand. So right hand up and you have to chest pop up. 1 and 2. This you will act like a girl. Now first walking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So it's like finger up, right hand. It's my right hand. Up, up, okay. Girls. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it's a hip hop group. 1 and 2. So right leg up. 1 and 2. I will show you. It's 1 and 2. So you'll have to show your body like this. 1 and 2. You can do this or this. Or you can do this and this. So it's 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you'll have to go back. 7, 8. Okay? It's 7, 8 and then 1, 2. So you'll have to right leg your on your toes and hit back, hit back. It's 1 and 2. Okay? We'll say ha ha ha. Girls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? I'll play the music and then we do it. I have given you the steps on the song. तो कैसे होगा? First is 1 and 2 and hit, 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 hit. Girls 1 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's fast. 5, 6, then it's 1. It's a whacking steps. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. The steps is very easy, guys. Steps is whacking steps. So it's right, my right hand, left hand, back, back, and then so you'll have to practice it. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. You can make it wrist also. You can make it like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. So it should be like this. Okay? शुरू से हम रिकॉल करते हैं स्टेप्स को। जैसे ही सॉन्ग बजता है देन हमको 2-3 बीट्स छोड़नी है। बॉयज के बाद का जो आता है बॉयज, उसके बाद का जो टू टू आता है वहां से हमको स्टार्ट करना है। ठीक है, सो 1 and 2 3 4 5 6। इतना क्लियर हुआ। देन इट कॉल गर्ल्स। गर्ल्स में आपको राइट हैंड का फिंगर ऊपर उठाना है। So act like a girl. Yes, we are ready to dance. Girls, and then 1 and 2. So you will have to left leg up on your toes and chest pop up. And 1 and 2. Then you'll have to go with your hands right and left. Groove करना है. Right and left. And then फिर पीछे मुड़ जाना है. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Easy. After that you'll have to do some whacking steps. Whacking आपको एक बार थोड़ा सीखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? I'm giving you very easy and simple. You'll have to stand on your right leg up, toes, style out, both the hands. It's in, back and in. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Very easy, very simple. Learn one more. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. You'll have to hit your back. You'll have to hit your back. यहाँ आपको hit करना पड़ेगा. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you'll have to chest pop up भी कर सकते हैं. Once you're comfortable, you can engage different moves. Okay? So it's a matter of practice. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then the other whacking style is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Just do it practice. You will easily do this. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and ta 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 ta. Ta 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 ta. Okay. I think keep watching the steps, keep watching the original video as well as the tutorial, so you will learn easily with the minimum time. And then the lyrics will start. Husn hai, pa 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 pa. Okay, so here the husn hai. So husn hai. So I'm giving you husn hai, and again making pa 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 pa. Okay, husn hai. So you'll have to groove your body like this. Husn hai. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll have to minimum steps, baby steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So husn hai. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then ishq hai. Okay. Again 5, 6, 7, 8. Husn hai. Pa 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 pa. Ishq hai. 1, 2, 3, 4. So back to back to ishq hai. Like this. Okay. Again 5, 6, 7, 8. Husn hai. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ishq hai. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. There ठक 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 ठक. इसके बाद में म्यूजिक बजता है, बीट्स होते हैं ठक 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 ठक. तो इट्स 1, 2, 3, 4 ठक 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 ऐसे हो जाती है. सो इट्स इन आउट शोल्डर शोल्डर. ओके 5, 6, 7, 8. हुस्न है. 1, 2, 3, 4. इश्क है. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then again we'll do this now in music. I hope you are clear. It's very simple, very easy choreography. Very simple. आप एक या दो बार वीडियोस देख लेंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है. So we have finished 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 ठक 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 ठक. दो बार शोल्डर्स के साथ में आपको. It's very quick. So 1, 2 ठक 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 ठक. देन है हुस्न है सुहाना, इश्क है दीवाना. So when we walk again, same step we have done. So वही हुस्न है सुहाना, ठीक है. वही सेम स्टेप्स हम आगे करेंगे. हुस्न है सुहाना, इश्क है दीवाना. Okay, once more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then 1 2 दीवाना. पीछे आ जाएंगे. So हुस्न है सुहाना, सुहाना, इश्क है दीवाना. देन करना है रूप का खजाना. So it's a body wave. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and then है 1 2 3 4. It's a 4 waves. 1 2 3 4. It's a 4 waves. हुस्न है sorry, I'm bad the lyrics. हुस्न है सुहाना, इश्क है दीवाना, रूप का खजाना. Okay, so it's रूप का खजाना आज है. So again, आज है, right hand and left hand. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you'll have to again Govinda style. Again Govinda. So it's हुस्न है सुहाना, इश्क है दीवाना, रूप का खजाना आज है लुटाना. Okay, fine. So finished with body wave. Body wave का मैं finish किया. That रूप का खजाना आज है लुटाना. So I'm just showing you the body waves. It's 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. So हमको inward ही करना है, reverse नहीं करना है. So रूप का खजाना, खजाना. You are showing the खजाना like this. So रूप का खजाना आज है लुटाना. So हुस्न है सुहाना, सुहाना. So it's like हुस्न है, 2 कदम आगे बढ़ना है अपने को. हुस्न है सुहाना, इश्क है दीवाना. Go back. Then again रूप का खजाना आज है लुटाना. गोविंदा स्टाइल लुटाना. फिर अगर हम आगे जाएंगे. So आके दीवाने मुझे सीने से लगा. Okay, so it's a 3 steps. 1 2 3 4 sorry. See, 1 2 3 4. Shoulder shimmy, shoulder shimmy and shoulder shaking, you can say that. So आके दीवाने मुझे सीने से लगा. You can wink also, you can give your expression, you can give your body movements. So रूप का खजाना आज है लुटाना, आके दीवाने मुझे सीने से लगा. And you say na na. Okay, 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then he said na na. So left leg behind and right leg behind with the opposite hands. Na na and then 1 2 3 4. Okay, then you'll have to be on your toes, circle. So it's again I am showing you 5 6 7 8. आके दीवाने मुझे सीने से लगा. ना ना ना. Tuck tuck tuck. 3 times. 1 2 3. Okay, it's very quick, guys. So listen song as many as time and then you will be easily do it. So we are doing the हुस्न है सुहाना. We are doing on हुस्न है सुहाना, इश्क है दीवाना, रूप का खजाना आज है लुटाना, आके दीवाने मुझे सीने से लगा. ना ना ना. ठक ठक ठक. Then है गोरिया चुराना, ठा 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 ठा. Okay. So again the step is for Govinda because I love the moves of Govinda and really love because his every step is iconic, yeah, guys, and I really love. So another step is right with left leg. It's 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. So आके दीवाने मुझे सीने से लगा ना ना ना, हम लोग मुड़ गए एंड 1 2 3, मुड़ गए एंड 1 2 3. ओके, गोरिया चूरा 1 2 3. So it's 1 2 1 2 3. गोरिया चुराना मेरा जिया, yeah. Then it's 1 2 1 2 3 4. फिर है let's go on music. I hope you are clear till now. आगे बढ़े. Very easy. Then after that, ठक ठक ठक. Very easy and very simple, very common step. वरुण धवन ने भी किया है. Is heart and this is 1 2 1 2 1 2 and give your look 1 2 1 2 1 2 and 1 2. So 1 2 1 2 3 4 and 1 and 2. You can do it on the step up. ये भी कर सकते हैं आप, और you can move ahead also. So I would like to move ahead 2 and 3. So after that, then गोरिया चुराना मेरा ठा ठा ठा, गोरिया चुराना मेरा जिया. So look at the camera, look at this, look at the side, look at front to the audience. After this, the very famous steps of Govinda. It's 1 2 3 and 4 and Jia. So ठक ठक ठक, मेरा जिया गोरिया चुराना मेरा जिया. Okay, the step is 1 with the right hand, right leg. 1 2 3. Okay, so it's 1 2 3 and Jia. Okay, 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 and 4. Okay, again the backing step is again very simple choreography, girls, very simple choreography, guys. You can do it within 1 hour में आप लोग के सीख सकते हैं. बहुत सिंपल कोरियोग्राफी रखी है मैंने. So we'll do it on the top. So हुस्न है, पा 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 पा, इश्क है, पा 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 फटा पा फा. ठीक है, फिर से है, हुस्न है सुहाना, इश्क है दीवाना, रूप का खजाना, आज है लुटाना, आके दीवाने मुझे सीने से लगा ना ना ना. ठक ठक गोरिया चुराना मेरा जिया, गोरिया चुराना मेरा जिया, गोरिया चुराना मेरा जिया. Then again the music is come. Again the backing steps. I've added on the backing steps बहुत सारा इसके अंदर, so that the song looks beautiful. And the tradition is also going on, the backing का steps add करने के लिए. It's trend going on, so I've learned and add on so many things in backing का steps. So फिर again simple. Two times right, 2 times left. And 1 2 3 4. Again 1 2 3 4. And then move करते हुए आप कैमरा के सामने से जा सकते हैं. फिर से लास्ट स्टेप एक बार फिर से जब हम फिनिश करते हैं 1 2 3 4 जिया के बाद में 1 and hit and 2 and hit and again 2 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the whole choreography has finished Guys, please tell me how is the choreography, how is the tutorial. If you want an improvement, anything related to song, anything related to choreography, teaching, my language. मैंने दोनों language use किया है, Hindi and English. So both of the people has understand well. Simple, very simple choreography, guys. Please show your love, hit the bell icon, subscribe my channel, spread my choreography, give your love. What I say, I'm so excited to put any video, any tutorial. Guys, please make this channel bigger. Show your love. Thank you so much. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.